So what do you do when your kids are stuck at home with RSV and it's December? I mean, one is getting better. This one over here, she is terrorizing the cat who's over there. And this one is working on a piece of vegan pizza or vegetarian pizza. Hopefully she'll eat it all. We'll see. But I get to introduce them to the classic Elf. So, just an idea on a Friday night on a December when the kids aren't feeling so good. How are you feeling? You ate it all? Did you eat it all too?
No.
No. She didn't have any.